Hi guys, this is Yvette from Inspirational Creations, and I have not recorded in the past year, but I am waiting to receive my new camera with a video camera so that way I can record videos and share with you guys simple projects, especially for those who are beginners, because I want everybody to learn, everyone that has a passion and a desire to learn. Anyhow, I just wanted to share with you guys really quick, being that I have very little memory space on my phone, this particular newborn baby crown tiara. A lady purchased it from me, but instead of the little heart stones, I'm adding little pearls. I think they're so cute. I think they're perfect. So I will be listing this in my Etsy shop with the little pearls to sell, and it will have an adjustable band, so there will be a couple of buttons stitched here so that the mom can adjust the band to the crown to either fit on top of the baby's head or around the baby's head, which would be the circumference of the baby's head. But I think it looks so pretty with the little pearls, as you can see. And she ordered some matching little baby booties. And of course, these I will also be embellishing them with some little pearls as well, somehow. But anyhow, I just wanted to share that with you guys. And I think this will be one of my video tutorials that I will be sharing here with you guys, how to make this simple little booty. And it's a pattern that I found online by Sarah with Repeat Craft Me. So stay tuned, guys, and I hope to see you guys soon. And let's make my channel pretty. So subscribe, guys. I guarantee that I will start posting more videos. I'm going to try my best to post a video every day of a simple crochet pattern. This will probably be my first one, so I'm just letting you know. And then, of course, you've got the little crown. So here you go, guys. There's all my stitches. So I catch you guys later, okay? See you in a bit. Bye-bye.